So here's how to set up Shopify coming soon page. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Shopify account. After that, here you have to simply click on the online store option. Once you click on it, now from the drop down menu you have to simply click on the preferences option. Then here you have to scroll down and go to the password protection option. Now you have to enter your message. You can simply write in coming soon or the name of your page. As here I'm gonna type in coming soon new arrival collection 2023. After that you have to click on the save option to save these settings. Then here you have to simply click on the apps option and then you have to search for the Pagefly app in the search bar. The next step is you have to install this app. To install the app, click on the app and then here at this page click on the install option. Now it will take you to the another page where you will be able to view this install app option at the top right corner. Now you have to simply click on it. Then select the template of your page. Here I'm gonna select it to the regular. Now at this page you have to simply search for the coming soon template and here you can select any of the templates from the available templates. Then you have to customize this template. To customize the template, simply you have to click on it. Modify the content and design the coming soon page to the match your branding. You can add logo, text, images and social media links to engage visitors. After that, you have to set a launch date. Specify the date when your online store will officially launch. This will help to create excitement and anticipation among your potential customers. You can also add an email sign-up form. Include an email sign-up form on the coming soon page to collect email addresses from interested visitors. This will allow you to notify them when your store is live. Now preview the coming soon page to see how it looks. Once you are satisfied with the changes, you save your settings. If you prefer, you can set a password to restrict access to your entire Shopify store until the launch date. This ensures that only those with the password can view the site. In the theme editor, make sure to save and publish the change to enable the coming soon page on your Shopify store. Keep an eye on the performance of your coming soon page, track email signups and make any necessary adjustments to improve its effectiveness. So that's how to set up coming soon page on Shopify.